In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail error 502. We've all been there ready to dive into emails when suddenly you hit a roadblock with a 502 error. But don't worry, because today we're going to tackle this issue step by step. So let's dive right in and get your Gmail back on track. First, let's start with the easiest fix, refreshing your Gmail page. On your keyboard, simply press F5 or click the refresh icon in your web browser. Sometimes, this straightforward action resolves the issue immediately by re-establishing the connection. Once you've refreshed, give it a few seconds and try loading Gmail again. If the error vanishes, great. If not, let's move on to the next step. The next step is to try using incognito mode, also known as private browsing. This method helps determine if a cookie, cache, or browser extension is causing the trouble. Open your web browser and look for either New Incognito Window or New Private Window in the menu. Once you have Gmail open in this mode, see if it loads correctly. If it does, that means your regular browser settings might be the culprit. So, what's next if it works in incognito mode? Well, we need to clear your browser cache and cookies. Head over to your browser settings and locate the section for privacy and security. Here, select Clear Browsing Data and be sure to choose Cookies and Cached Images/Files. Restart your browser and then try accessing Gmail again. This can often solve the issue by removing old corrupted data. Still having trouble? It might be some pesky browser extensions causing a hiccup. Temporarily disable all extensions, especially those related to ad blocking or security, because they can sometimes interfere with Gmail. Launch Gmail after disabling them to see if this resolves the issue. If none of these steps work, trying another browser or even a different device should be your next move. This helps you figure out if the problem is specific to your setup. Load Gmail on, say, a mobile device or another computer and observe if it works. If it does, that's a sign your current browser or device needs further investigation. Occasionally, the problem might not be on your end. So, it's wise to check the Google Workspace status dashboard. Here, you can confirm if there's a reported outage affecting Gmail. If there is, unfortunately, you'll have to wait for Google to resolve it. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and nothing seems to work, it might be time to restart your network connection. Power off your Wi-Fi router for a minute, then switch it back on or connect to a different network to see if that makes a difference. And with those steps covered, if Gmail is still not cooperating, don't hesitate to reach out to Google support for further assistance. I hope this guide helps you get back to your emails without any roadblocks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and leave a comment if you have any questions or other issues you'd like us to address. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.